창이가 좋아하는 랜덤 게임! 랜덤 게임! 게임 스타트!
Hi, Maring Carrie! Happy 50th birthday! Welcome to the club ng mga perimenopausal babies. And white flour, katingko, and efficacent oil users. Wala, tumatanda na tayo. Well, seriously, I wish you all the best, and I am so thankful that you have reached this milestone birthday, and 34 years of which is our strong friendship, which started in college and until now, and still having an incredible bonding together, and sana magtagal pa yon hanggang sa pagtanda pa natin. I love you, Mare. I'm praying for your good health and happiness today and the coming years ahead. More blessings and see you soon. Mickey?
Happy birthday, Carrie, and God bless.
And
Happy birthday, Dina Kari. Thank you for always being proud of me in my chest. Love you.
bye!
Bye.
아파트 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 아파트
Happy birthday, gorgeous. I hope you have a fantastic 50th birthday full of many blessings for you and your family. I hope to see you soon.
Hello, Kari. It's your special day. Welcome to the Golden Age Club.
Wishing you the best in everything.
God bless you always.
We love you! Happy 50th birthday!
kissy face sent to your phone, but I'm trying to kiss your lips for real. Red hearts, that's what I'm on, yeah. Come give me something I can feel.
Hi, Carrie! Happy 50th birthday!
Happy birthday!
So, I remember when we made a similar video for Bobby a few years back. So, that's his 50th. Now, it's your turn. Susunod ako naman. Anyway, may God continue to bless you and your family on your 50th birthday. Hope you enjoy. Yun. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Bye!
Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? Sleep tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just me, yeah.
Happy birthday, Kari. Welcome sa club ng mga golden boys and girls. Ikaw ang pinakabata sa atin. And wishing you more blessings and health. And sana makapag-meet up ulit tayo like na ginagawa natin every summer when nung mga bata pa tayo several decades ago. Again, happy birthday and I hope to see you again soon and si Ninang Aling and Ninong George. Bye!
아파트 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 아파트
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday, Kari!
Happy birthday, Kari!
Happy birthday, Tita Kari.
It's whatever you like. Turn this opposite into a club. I'm talking drink, dance, smoke, freak, party all night. Come back, girl, what's up?
Happy birthday, Kari! Greetings from Lake Como in Italy.
Happy birthday, Carrie!
Happy birthday, Kari!
Happy birthday, Carrie!
Thank you so much kapag nandiyan kami sa Manila for always bringing us around. We really appreciate it. So we hope you can visit us here in Vancouver para sama-sama tayo.
Yes, Carrie, visit us here and
Also, thank you for hosting when we were there, and we wish you good health, love, peace, and happiness in the years to come.
God bless, Carrie,
Happy
and the whole
birthday.
family.
Yes.
Happy birthday.
Oh, don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? Sleep tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the
Hi, Carrie!
Hi, Carrie.
Happy birthday! Balita ko, 40 years old ka na daw. Plus 10. So, welcome to the 50th club. Well, we wish you the best of health, joy, peace, and happiness. And may this new year be a blessed year for you and your family.
May you have many, many more blessings to come.
All right.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Take care and hope to see you guys soon. And
Bye. See you soon.
this is for you.
Happy birthday, Carrie.
Happy birthday. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday, Carrie! Welcome to the G Club. Golden girl ka na rin, tulad namin. Yun lang kami, mag-51 na. I want to tell you that I'm so blessed and I thank God for the friendship that we had since college. You are so kind, generous, thoughtful, as always, and very pretty. Stay as you are, and I hope we could have a scheduled travel soon with all our barkada. I love you and God bless you.
So now you know the game. Are you ready? 'Cause I'm coming to get you. Get you, get you. Hold on, I'm on my way. Yeah, 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 yeah. I'm on my way. Hold on, I'm on my way. Yeah, 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 yeah. I'm on my way.
Hi, Carrie. Babasahin ko na yung aking wishes sa'yo, ha? Wishing you all the best this year and many years to come. May you be blessed with good health, peace of mind, and lots of answered prayers. Happy birthday again.
Happy 50th birthday, Carrie.
Love
Enjoy
you.
your day.
Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? Sleep tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me.
To my sister from a different mother, happy golden year. May you always shine like the bright star that you are. It's been circa 90s since we've been friends. I'm so glad to have been part of each of your journey. Cheers and more K-dramas. Happy birthday!
It's all